Hey beautiful, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super relatable skincare issue. Blackheads. We've all been there, right? Those tiny, stubborn spots that always seem to pop up at the worst time. But don't worry, because I've got you covered with some amazing natural remedies that are easy, affordable, and super effective. Before we dive into these fabulous remedies, let's chat about what blackheads are and why they show up uninvited. Stick with me until the end for some bonus skincare tips to keep your skin glowing like never before. And don't forget to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications for all the latest beauty and skincare secrets. Okay, let's break it down. Blackheads, or as the pros call them, open comedones, are those annoying little dark spots that show up when your hair follicles get clogged with oil and dead skin cells. Unlike whiteheads, blackheads stay open, and the air turns the clog dark, like oxidation magic, but not the kind we love. So what causes these pesky spots? Hormones, stress, diet? Yep, even that third latte. Smoking and lack of sleep don't help either. Knowing what's behind blackheads is the first step to saying goodbye to them for good. Tomatoes aren't just great in your salad, they're a secret weapon for clear skin. Here's what you do. Mash up a ripe tomato into a paste. Apply it to the areas with blackheads. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes, then rinse with warm water. Pro tip: use this remedy at night for some overnight pore magic. Plus, it feels so refreshing. Lemons are a skincare superstar. With their natural astringent and antibacterial properties, they're perfect for keeping blackheads at bay. Mix fresh lemon juice with a pinch of salt. Massage the scrub gently onto blackheads. Let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse. This remedy not only fights blackheads, but also brightens your skin for that healthy glow. I know it sounds surprising, but toothpaste can actually help dry out blackheads. Dab a small amount of white toothpaste onto the blackheads. Leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse thoroughly. Use this trick 2 to 3 times a week, and you'll start seeing a difference. Bonus, it's already in your bathroom. Honey is liquid gold for your skin. Its natural antiseptic properties make it perfect for cleansing and nourishing. Spread a thin layer of raw honey on the affected areas. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. For best results, pair this with regular exfoliation to keep your skin soft and blackhead-free. Baking soda is a gentle exfoliant that works wonders. Mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with water to form a paste. Apply it to your face, focusing on those stubborn, blackhead-prone spots. Rinse thoroughly after 10 minutes. Use this mask once a week to avoid overdoing it. Let's talk about this dynamic duo. Oatmeal soothes your skin, while yogurt's probiotics keep it healthy. Combine 2 tablespoons of oatmeal with 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Apply the mixture to your face and let it work its magic for 20 minutes. Wash it off with lukewarm water. This remedy feels like a mini spa day at home. Egg whites are amazing for tightening your pores and reducing blackheads. Beat 1 egg white with a teaspoon of honey until smooth. Apply the mask evenly and let it dry for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water. Your skin will feel tighter and look smoother instantly. Cinnamon and lime juice are a dream team for fighting blackheads. Mix 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder with 2 teaspoons of lime juice. Apply the paste and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse thoroughly. Do this at night to avoid any sun sensitivity. Your skin will thank you. Stay hydrated. Drinking water is the easiest way to keep your skin happy. Healthy diet. Load up on fruits, veggies, and antioxidant-rich foods. Regular cleansing. Wash your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser. Hands off. Avoid touching your face to keep bacteria away. And there you have it, gorgeous. We've covered everything you need to know about natural remedies for blackheads. Which one are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, share it with your besties, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more skincare and beauty tips. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay beautiful.